Good morning, student. Welcome to all in Study Online. Dear student, in my previous video, I uploaded the first and second part of the chapter The Tsunami, which is the second chapter of the Honeydew. And in that video, I told you that how the tsunami that hit on 26 December 2004 took the life of many people and destroyed a lot of property. At the same time, the courage and wisdom shown by many people saved many lives. And now, in the part third of this chapter, you are going to know that how the animal senses are much better than human being. They can sense better than human beings. So let's start the third part. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. So, I told you that how the tsunami had affected the Thailand and some part of India like Andaman and Nicobar Islands and parts of Tamil Nadu. So, before this, dear student, the word giant means uh, it means use. The word giant means use, and the word slammed means hit. Yes. So before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seems to know what was about to happen. तो इससे पहले कि वो ह्यूज जो वेव्स थी वो इंडिया और श्रीलंका के कोस्टल लैंड को हिट कर पाती, वाइल्ड और डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स जो थे उन्हें पता चल गया था कि क्या होने वाला है. They fled to safety according to eyewitnesses account. So what the animals, those wild and domestic animals did, they fled to a safer places so that they could save themselves. According to eyewitnesses accounts, elephant screamed and ran for higher grounds. Dog refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas, and zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could be enticed to come back out. So, according to the eyewitnesses, what is the meaning of the word eyewitness? Eyewitness means the people who have seen uh, that how the animals were going to the safer places. आई विटनेस मीन्स जो जिन्होंने अपनी खुद की आँखों से देखा. तो उनके अनुसार जो लोगों ने देखा वो क्या बताया, दैट एलिफेंट स्क्रीम्ड मीन्स दे स्टार्टेड crying loudly in their voices and they ran for higher grounds. And dogs, so what the animals did, they started screaming, crying loudly, and they went to higher places so that the waves could not hit them. And dogs, what did the dogs do? They refused, they did not go for their outdoor walking as usual. And flamingos abandoned. What is the meaning of the word abandoned? So abandoned means left. So flamingos also left their low-lying breeding areas. So they left their low plain areas, and they also fled to to higher places. And what did the zoo animals did? They also rushed means they ran fast into their shelters, and they could not be enticed to come back out, and for a long time they were not seen outside. So all these animals saved themselves. This is how. And the the time before that huge waves could come, they had sensed, these animals had sensed that what was about to happen. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to sink. बहुत सारे लोगों का ऐसा मानना होता है कि एनिमल्स के पास सिक्स सेंस होती है और उन्हें पता चल जाता है दैट अर्थ इज़ गोइंग टू सिक, कि अर्थ अब सेक होने वाला है. इट इज़ अबाउट टू सिक मीन्स इट इज़ अबाउट टू सीवर, या पिघलने वाला है. Some experts believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. कुछ एक्सपर्ट लोगों का मानना ऐसा है कि जो एनिमल्स की अक्यूट हियरिंग मतलब हमसे अधिक उनकी जो सुनने की क्षमता होती है वो उनकी मदद करती है ये जानने में कि अर्थ के वाइब्रेशन को वो हमसे ज़्यादा बेहतर फील कर पाते हैं. एंड दे कैन सेंस एन अप्रोचिंग डिज़ास्टर एंड दिस इज़ हाउ दे कैन अप्रोच अ कमिंग. अप्रोचिंग मीन्स what is the meaning of the word approaching? Coming. So they can sense, they can know the coming disaster better than human beings. They can realize, they can come to know that what was about to happen. We cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not. अब हम इस बारे में श्योर नहीं है कि एनिमल्स के पास सिक्स सेंस होती है या नहीं, बट द फैक्ट इज़ दैट giant waves that roll through the Indian Ocean killed more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries, but not many animals have been reported dead. So, student, the tsunami that I have referred in this chapter, the tsunami of 26 December 2004, it has taken the life of 150,000 people and from almost 12 countries, but it has taken the life of very few animals. So this is how we can come to know that really the animals senses are better than human being. Along India's Kadlor coast, where thousands of people perished, buffaloes, goats and dogs were found unharmed. If I talk about the Kadlor city of Tamil Nadu, that is a part of India, so from that place only thousands of people perished. What is the meaning of the word perished? Means they vanished. Vanished means समाप्त हो गए. So from the Kadlor city of Tamil Nadu, from where due to that tsunami thousands of people died, but buffaloes, goats and dogs of that place were reported unharmed. They did not face any harm. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is a home to a variety of animals including elephants, leopards and 130 species of birds. The Yala National Parks of Sri Lanka, you know that at that time Sri Lanka was also affected due to that tsunami, but the Yala National Park, where a variety of animals, many types of animals, many species of animals, many species of elephants, leopards and almost 130 species of birds are found there in Yala National Park. 60 visitors were washed away from the Pantagala beach inside the park, but all the animals were reported safe, and even 60 visitors who were human beings from Pantagala beach, they were who were inside the park at that time when that tsunami hit. So at that time those 60 visitors who were in Pantagala base, what happened, they were also washed away, वो भी बहा लिए गए, but no animals carcasses were found. लेकिन किसी भी animals की carcasses. Now what is the meaning of the word carcasses? Carcasses means dead bodies. Dead body. So no animal dead bodies were found, yet 60 visitors were washed away, except for two water buffaloes. Only two water buffaloes of Pantagola bees died due to that tsunami. About an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yala National Park had observed three elephants running away from the Pantagala base. लगभग 1 घंटे पहले जब सुनामी वेव्स ने उस पेंटागाला बीच को हिट किया, तो याला नेशनल पार्क में सुनामी वेव्स के आने के लगभग 1 घंटे पहले लोगों ने ऐसा देखा कि 3 एलिफेंट जो भागकर जा रहे थे, कहाँ से? पेंटागाला बीच से. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Galley said his two dogs were not go for their daily run on the beach. एक श्रीलंका का जेंटलमैन ने ऐसा रिपोर्ट किया कि उसके 2 जो पेट डॉग्स थे, उस दिन उन्होंने इनकार कर दिया पेंटागोला बीच पर जाने से वॉकिंग के लिए. दे वर यूजली एक्साइटेड टू गो दिस आउटिंग, जबकि अदरवाइज वो जो डॉग्स थे वो हमेशा प्रत्येक दिन बहुत ही एक्साइटेड रहा करते थे आउटिंग के लिए, घूमने के लिए, जाने के लिए, बट उस दिन उन्होंने इनकार कर दिया. सो दीज साइंस shows exactly that yes, animal senses are better than human beings. But on that day they refused to go and most probably saved his life. लेकिन उस दिन उन दोनों डॉग्स ने इनकार कर दिया और इस तरीके से उन्होंने अपना जीवन बचा लिया. So with the help of this story, as I told you earlier when I started this chapter, that what we have come to know at the end of the chapter, that during the time of calamity we should try to use our wits, our wisdom, our presence of mind, and our learning, whatever we have learned in past, and we should also show courage. We should not be panic stricken. And in this chapter we have also come to know about the animals better senses. So student, this is the end of this chapter, and if you have liked this video, kindly press the like button and subscribe the channel. Do subscribe it. Thank you.